museum wants it. Sell it to them for $1,000. Make some money out of it.
I'm not selling it.
It's only for show.
Yeah.
The show was alright, but it wasn't high enough.
Do you know, as you went in, the water went off?
No, it's not that. But I thought it'd be really hot. Just a bit right for me. Well, it could have been hot. I turned it right. I was for pieces. And chopped. What's your light on?
Because I'm doing a video.
No, any commentary? No commentary?
No.
I wake up a couple of hours later to turn over to the other side, and then a couple of hours later to get off to that side, and then sleep on my back sitting up. Yeah, when I get out of bed and walk, it's nothing, it's alright.
Strange.
Except I have to lean over to lift something. I can lift things, it doesn't hurt as much as when you're leaning over doing nothing.
Yeah.
When I'm leaning over the car like that and something, I'm doing something. Your back's going all the time.
Yeah.
It's not hurting, I just can't eat. It's not comfortable.
Oh, I thought it did.
What?
Nothing. It's raining, that's all. Yeah. 2 Bendixes, 2 hot points, and actually 2 services because we've got a dryer. No, we've got 2 services because that dryer's a service. Huh. Oh. Very quiet filling up.
It's just that, and that makes sense. Velvet. Ah. Have you been in the room all day?
Hey?
Have you been in the monk fail?
No.
Helmet fail.
Mm.
What does the service need that? You don't know
A new
yet.
power cable, and I need to look at the motor.
A new power cable?
Yeah. It's possible that's why it's possible that that's the reason that it's tripping the electrics.
A power cable? I can't see a power cable going.
Well, even Clive at work said it's possible.
Oh, take them out.
Especially the age of the machine, don't forget.
There's something heating up and tripping it. That's where it is. I don't think it's the cable. Well, examine the cables. You can have we had the cable off, loosen all the nuts off and make sure they're tight? On the connection?
Well, I haven't checked the under the lid kind of connections, but I think the plug was alright from what I
the
remember.
plug was alright, but I'm just saying underneath
Yeah.
is where it was at. What's it? Silver thing.
Yeah?
The silver filter looking thing. The silver cylinder in there. You said you were going to get another one of these to try it.
Oh no, it wouldn't be one of them.
Why
I don't
not?
think.
Why not?
Everyone's saying that it wouldn't be one of them. I could try it, yeah. I know. I think Chris has got one.
Well, you just to try it.
Yeah.
Get the one off his head. Would you get one?
He's had it quite a few actually.
And you got a spare.
He's got spares, yeah.
I think the same what you give him the money.
Ugh. Should spin on this one.
That one you see.
Yeah.
Every year.
Yeah.
The water getting.
No, going out.
No, it's just the noise.
Hmm. Little bit. Should do, yeah. I know, it's not meant to. Just record it.
You see nothing.
Yeah, you can see it.
You can see it's moving. That's about all.
Get the right angle, you're alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know Kathy's email?
Possibly.
What is it?
I've got it written down somewhere.
You got a thing, what you call it? That's food.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't actually.
And you could put it up there, when you get it levelled up, take it out, put feet on it all the way around, the slidey feet, put it on there and it'll come out nice and easy.
Yeah, you'd have to screw the feet onto it though,
What do you mean,
because the bit of wood would slide off the feet.
oh, that'll do.
Well, what are you on about?
You know the plastic things that's in the front?
Yeah.
Put two of them in the back,
Oh right.
and then it'll slide on the wood.
Oh yeah, true.
A lot easier.
Ugh.
I will get you sorted. Up and running. If your boss is in here watching me, would you find them flying him? Yeah, the old fella working for me.
Actually, we were having a discussion about him the other day.
What?
Clive went and said, oh yeah, he kind of comes to work and stays in a daydream all day.
Who?
Bruno.
I thought you were talking about you.
No.
Whoa!
Whoa!
How old is Bruno?
I don't know.
How old do you think he is there?
Late 40s, possibly?
And he's in a daydream.
Yeah, he kind of walks around and a bit too relaxed, kind of.
Well, if he's capable, what's it? Does he forget to deliver washing machines and drop them down
No,
the stairs?
it's just small clumsy things that add up.
Oh, I guess he's seen you perform.
Ha 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 ha. Still jumping about a bit.
What?
Still does jump about a little bit.
Yeah, it just needs a wee bit another couple of times. But we're going to do that, I put it out, put that wood onto it.
Yeah.
It's not going to be under there long.
Yeah.
No, you can just make sure it's steady there. We can print it. We'll get it off the internet. Oh, because you can blow it up a bit, can't you, on the internet?
Yeah, but it makes it blurry unless
I
you...
know. Sky's region, Portsmouth, Aldershot, London, Oxford, Southampton, and then get there, Mary, and Westmead. North region, Northern Scotland, or Glasgow, one in Glasgow. Glasgow. A 747 is it?
7147.
Here it says, oh, that's a dryer.
Yeah.
What's going wrong?
You remember Mark? He had the dryer, remember?
What?
Mark.
What about it?
Do you remember we brought the dryer in and put it next to it?
Yeah. Also washer. Oh, we got the half of that. We got this.
Yeah.
I'll take it up and print it. The heater fan, they're laughing. Gone with it. That's the one. Twin speed. Selector. What's that? You can put it in 400.
Yeah.
Grassing, ballpoint, garbage methodology storage. Filtering, solution. Doesn't show you the drawer.
It does somewhere. And, no, it should in there. It does. I'm pretty sure I've seen it.
You can
Huh. Should be in the first couple of.
oh yeah, it does. Main road, main road, added road.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Thorn, who make both. That's why there was one in Southampton, I think. New Haven. Hmm. Actually, there's a thing on Thorn there. Oh yeah, there. Probably says it. There's a thing there. It probably says that it's in New Haven. Oh. Hmm. There you go. This will speed up in a minute. There you go. Quiet? No. Slightly?
No, I just need a couple of tracks. I got to say on it.
Yeah.
It's bumping up and down.
Huh? Yeah. It's pointless filling that out now.
They're good, was it?
Yeah.
There it is in the boat. You've got the boat.
Yeah.
There's the washer dryer. That was the
There was no washer dryer. Oh yes there was, yes there was.
The dryer, see that's two together.
Yeah, I know.
Just like the same, didn't it?
Yeah. Back then, a lot of them did look the same.
The matching here, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're put, they're taken from
Yeah.
and take straight up and down.
If only it was that easy to do in real life.
Or you can get a thing to fit it.
Yeah. You used to be able to buy specially made worktops to sit on top.
Yeah, what? Yeah, it's a bit there.
That's a shelf. It is. There's a shelf that comes out that.
It's got insulation behind it. If we put that on top of it with rattling.
No, there's
You can't see the feet.
Yeah, but there's a shelf there as well because
What's the shelf?
that bit in between. See that silver strip?
Yeah, there's the height.
That silver strip is a shelf.
What do you mean a shelf?
There's a shelf.
It's not fixed to the wall.
No, but it's a shelf.
I know, but it actually dead
It comes out.
It's to hold it on top of the other so it doesn't vibrate.
No, it's a shelf. It'll say shelf.
So you can. It's just it's a shelf to take put your basket to unload it. So it's there to stop deadening the sound between the two machines.
Possibly.
And rub and whether it's enamel off and paint will go rusty.